Bonjour, Bula. Just a quick update on the recent trip to Paris in France, thanks to the French High Commission and Embassy in Fiji, and also to the French government. Being invited to Paris was an absolute delight, whereby I managed to learn a lot of things, and in particular, things that stood out for me were, of course, the Indo-Pacific relations and the Indo-Pacific strategy that France has and what it aims to do, which was very beneficial and educational, of course, together with sports diplomacy, which is the in thing at the moment in terms of diplomacy, and France and its funding processes, its makeup of its, of course, its parliamentary structure. How does France view countries in the Pacific, including Fiji? What it thinks of the diplomatic understandings between different nations? How France wants to handle its affairs with the likes of Fiji and the other Pacific countries. So it was pretty educational. And just to take in the sights and sounds of Paris was absolutely phenomenal. We cannot say thank you enough to France for having invited us over across and having met so many wonderful people and learning so much about the work that France is putting in through particularly its Indo-Pacific strategy that it has got going. Also making us understand as to how things work in terms of France's relationship, as I mentioned, with other countries and also the Pacific. So, also managed to get some Rugby World Cup action in between, which was absolutely fantastic. So, once again, merci beaucoup, and thank you very much, Vinaka, to the French government for having us over.